Alright, quick briefing, anything prior to rotation will abort on the runway, after rotation and after gear retraction. We're going to continue. Stay in the pattern, come back around land. Verify further. We won't do anything till we get to at least 1,500 feet. Let's look at his landing. Oh, looks pretty good. Be a little firm, I don't know. Hard to tell from here. That was an auto land.
Delta 2553, turn right when able. Can I take ground point 9er?
Right turn when able, point 9 out of 2553.
November 683 Delta Delta, turn left heading 170, runway 23 left, cleared for takeoff.
Okay, left to 170, clear for takeoff, 23 left, 683 Delta Delta. Okay, so I've already got 170 bugged.
I just have 2 more departures, and then I will have a good opening for you.
Right, and then we will make sure our fuel flows are right on takeoff. All right, power's coming up. Power's set, panel's clean, and here's where I'll set those fuel flows to the blue marker. There's through 80 knots, 85, we'll let it go off about 90. As the rate, gear up, lights off, yaw damp on. And vertical speed, we can do 700 foot a minute. I'm going to close these vents, a little chilly. At 400 feet, we'll hit heading. Start our turn.
November 3 Delta Delta, can I take departure? Good day.
Go to departure, 3 Delta Delta, good day. Alright, everything's good, we'll get a prop sync on. Great, for departure, bearing 683 Delta Delta is 1800, climbing 3,170 on the heading. Power's good.
Baron 683 Delta Delta, Greensboro departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 7,000.
7,000, 3 Delta Delta.
Pipeline 364 Charlie Papa, Greensboro, good morning, squawk 0130.
Here's our props back just a little.
Sling 2 Romeo Charlie, contact Washington Center, 124.05.
Moved our blue markers.
Hands of 9 Golf Delta, descend and maintain 3,000.
Turn right to the blue line.
090.
We're going to go autopilot on. Boom.
Line 4 Charlie Papa, radar contact 10 southwest of Greensboro, altimeter 2955. Roger.
That's it for now. We're going to stop this one. And then we'll stop this and we'll join up. Well, he's going to give us on course any second now. And we'll join up when we get a little closer to Beaufort. So stay tuned. And Cherry Point, Baron 683 Delta Delta. We've got Beaufort in sight. We'll go ahead and cancel IFR.
Baron 3 Delta Delta, IFR cancellation received. Squawk maintain VFR. Frequency change approved. Good day.
Okay, 3 Delta Delta. We'll talk to you on the way out.
And King Air 9, Mike Lima said you're departing now. Mike Lima, Roger, Cherry Point, altimeter is 2958. We'll talk to you airborne.
For traffic, Baron 683 Delta Delta is about 7 miles to the northwest, inbound for landing runway 26, Beaufort. My goodness, some bumps.
Beaufort track, got a King Air departing runway 26, and I'll be westbound, Beaufort Moorhead.
All right, we'll be looking for you. We're over the inlet here coming in. We're going to enter on a downwind for 26.
Okay, I don't see it yet, but I think I can get out in front of you. You're going to use 26.
Yeah, we'll turn off more towards the east, get out of the way.
Okay.
Smooths out above 3. It started getting bumpy. It's 2800 down.
I got you. Thanks, sir. Beaufort Moorhead traffic, King Air departing runway 26, Beaufort Moorhead.
Yeah, Beaufort traffic, Baron 3 Delta Delta is on a right downwind runway 26, Beaufort above midfield. There he goes, he's rolling. Right at 1200 or so. That level off. Should slow us the other 10 knots I need here in flaps. Right, altitude's capturing. All right, comes our speed. I want to make sure we're trending slower though with all these bumps. Here we go. Autopilot's away. Beaufort traffic, Baron 3 Delta Delta is turning right base, runway 26, Beaufort. Pretty houses down in here. Set our missed altitude of 2000. Beaufort traffic, Baron 3 Delta Delta is turning final, runway 26, Beaufort. Okay, speed is good for full flaps, so we're good. Something's coming off. Shield heat will come off. Everything's done except full flaps and yaw damp to go. The speed is jumping around. Right, there's our glide path, so that's good. Beaufort traffic, Baron 3 Delta Delta, 2 mile final, runway 26, Beaufort. Just a couple of knots fast for full flaps. easing the power back. We don't want to get trending accelerating too quickly, because with the wind, I like to be on the fast side of all my speeds when it's windy. The plane responds faster. Alright, speed is good. Looking good. It's pretty much holding steady. We're going to go full flaps. They're moving.
500.
Now, indicated. Everything's done except for the yaw down. And as we get down, we're going to have to gas on it to maintain. Just kind of hold a nice steady. Up as we get slower. Yaw damp's away. We're about 9 degrees nose up, so it's pretty much hands off, doing just a little above blue line, right around blue line. There's a balance between being fast enough for the gust, but not so fast that you float forever, and then you're ruffling the wind in the flare, you know. So, anyways.
Minimums.
Looking good.
Minimums.
Continue. Runway's clear. Everything's done. 3 green, no red lights are on. Mixture's rich. Flaps are full. All over with but the crying. And here's where you got to watch. The speed just got a little slow. You don't be afraid to gas on it. Not too much, right? It's only a couple knots. Little blue. Watch out, birdie. Get off the runway. There he goes. He's leaving. He saw me. Retrim. Like that. That worked out good. I was wrestling the wind and I rolled it on nice. Some minimum speed. Bump our power up before we get too slow. Miles on the side. Over traffic, 3 Delta's back taxi, 32 to Bravo. All right, cut the corner a little bit. Beaufort traffic, 3 Delta's clear of all runways, Beaufort. All right, well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for riding along. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one. See how my editing goes on this one. We're going to try the multi-cameras. We'll see you.